G'day trendsetters, and welcome to episode 13 of 3 Minute Mondays. In episode 12 we did the hard work of setting up this little patch here for planting sweet corn. This one is from Mr. Fothergill's and it is called Snow Gold Bicolor F1. And last week was the hard part, today's the fun part, and that's the planting of the seeds. So basically while you were waiting for me to set up, I've marked out my rows. I've got little canes in here. I've got 3 rows. I can get, I think, about 5 plants in each row. This is my measuring stick, by the way, 25 centimeters, 50 centimeters between the rows, as per the instructions on the back of the pack, which I nearly always follow because it saves having to think it up every time. 2.5 centimeters deep, which is about my first knuckle. And all I will do is get a little handful of seeds, I'll put one right in at the beginning of the row, and it's as simple. I just place the seed on top of the soil and poke it in to the depth of my first knuckle. Measure, poke it in. It's pretty easy. This is most seed planting's pretty easy, I suppose, once you've done the hard work is in the preparation, nearly always. So how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good. That's it, job done. Just repeat and repeat. I'll have 3 rows here. 15 plants. You usually get 1 cob of corn per plant, so 15 cobs of corn. It's going to do me nicely. Not much more to it. Water it, keep it moist until the seeds appear, and then you can vary your watering in response to the weather. If you've had rain or if you haven't had rain. Pretty much it doesn't seem to want to rain here at all. It was predicted for today, and it's just all blue skies again, and the forecast for the rest of the week, as far ahead as you can see, is dry again. So I'll be watering probably every day until I get a bit established. Then I might be able to go every second day or something like that. I hope you found this interesting. It is a great help to me if you would consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It all goes to encouraging YouTube to spread the word, and also helps me to make more videos like this. And also, if you've got any questions or any queries or any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Cheers and thanks for watching.